We've done a bunch of upgrades to this 2021 Yellow Peel Mustang GT. Most recently, we lowered it on a set of Acceltech lowering springs and improved the ride quality and performance with a set of Koni's active shocks and struts. Now that we have the stance just right, the factory wheels just aren't going to cut it, so today we're going to upgrade it to a set of Velgens. Now, if you're a regular viewer of this channel, you know we're a fan of Velgen wheels. I run the VF5s in my own personal car, and the owners saw these gunmetal wheels and fell in love with them. Now, with a color like the Yellow Peel, black is kind of the easy go-to wheel because it contrasts well, but I think the gunmetal really kind of takes it up a notch. We've gone with a 20 by 9.5 in the front and a 20 by 10.5 in the back, wrapped with Nitto 555 G2 tires, 275/35 and 295/35. Let's get these things installed. I've said it a million times before and I'll say it again, the right set of wheels will totally make a car. These Velgens have our Yellow Peel 2021 looking absolutely amazing. Again, the fronts are 9.5 with a +32 offset, and then the rears are 10.5 with a +45. Gives us a nice flush look, and they fit the car great. And again, no issues with clearance or anything like that. Again, a really, really good look. Now, if you like these Velgen wheels, like I said, we have them in the gloss gunmetal shown here. They're also available in a satin black, a gloss black, a bright silver, and a bronze.